Hi, welcome to the program. We're going to talk about 5 sites that you can get good traffic from for your book. And these sites are based on Alexa rankings. And if you're not familiar with Alexa, I would encourage you to learn about it. You can find it at alexa.com. That's Alexa.com. Alexa is a very, I'll call it intense site that does rankings on all type of things that go online, and it is a worldwide type ranking system. So to me, in terms of researching data, if you really want to find out who's at the top of the chart, Alexa is better than using a Google search. So based on Alexa rankings, here are some very good sites that you can become a part of to promote your book. And when I say become a part of, I mean begin to interact with these type of groups. You might do blogging with them. You might answer questions for their forums. You might comment on their editorial. You might become an associate working with them in terms of having articles sent into their site. Whatever way you can find to interact with these group of people will do you really good in terms of being able to bring exposure to your books. One of the largest communities for authors is Goodreads.com. Again, that's Goodreads.com. You can promote your book there, give lots of information about who you are, what you do, and how you want to reach particular individuals that might have interest in your book. Another site is How Stuff Works. How Stuff Works has always been a joy to me. I learned about it when my kids were small, and this type of site is more of a how-to. And if you can connect with that particular audience, because it is so diverse, you might be able to get some good promotions in for your book, because they have all kinds of things. If you know how something works, whether it's how to do a book or how to create a repair for something or whatever. It's just tons of information out there, and it's called How Stuff Works. I believe right now it has been purchased by the Discovery Network, so you know if it's associated with Discovery, it's really good material. If you have books that are more related to self-growth, self-esteem, better lifestyle, you might want to connect with selfgrowth.com. It's a huge site loaded with information. I would encourage you to visit it and, again, learn how to interact with those particular sites to bring exposure for your book. Another one, if you're interested in the health side, fitness, healthy eating, things like that, is prevention.com. Prevention has been around for a very long time. They have so much available through Prevention. And that's another one that I've been following since the probably early 80s because they've been out there for so long. And what I like about Prevention is it's quality information. It is not just a bunch of people who have opinions that are trying to build a community, but it is really, really solid information. And if you can get into their channels and promote your book, it will really be to your benefit to do so. And then for some of you all who are into the news or the current affairs, you might want to get connected with the Huffington Post, and that is a think tank. I'm going to call it a think tank association that's got great information. So connecting with sources like that might not always bring you immediate book sales, like right when you post, all of a sudden you're going to get an avalanche of people coming to purchase your book. But what it does is it creates a level of expertise within what you're able to present to the public. It lets people know that you are on the cutting edge of your particular topic and that you have valuable information, and just by allowing it to go out to the public in the masses, because they have millions of people that click these particular websites, not thousands, but millions. So therefore, just being on the site on a regular basis will help people to learn more about your book. So again, those sources are Goodreads.com, How Stuff Works, selfgrowth.com, Prevention, and Huffington Post. And learn more about other resources that you can do the same way. And if you're not familiar with Alexa, I would encourage you to learn a lot about it because it will be very useful when you're doing research to promote your books. Thank you for watching.